Me a figure out your style, them know. Oh yo. You like you say things with so.
Good morning.
Guess who's back? Back again.
Oh my god, guys.
Chaddy, Danny, back.
So we went on the road and I forgot my purse, so we're going back home.
Yeah. So we're starting the vlog right now, guys. We are doing house hunting.
So as the family grows.
As the family grows, you know you need to get a house.
It's because you know we're in like an apartment now, and you know we're gonna need more space.
Yeah.
So we're gonna start looking because we don't want to rent anymore. So it's time.
Yeah, we want to just
to
we
buy.
want to exit out of the renting scene. People look on one mad thing. Look, Pandy. Watch your fridge. Watch your fridge. Oh, count the top them bad. It bad. It bad. Stove bad. Wanna say people? The shot. Look here. Oh God. That's a big space. Look at the tile, people. Thing's sick. Tell them nice. I like it. Probably just needs to clean. And then, booyah. Look on this. Look on this. Spacious. Check me out on the balcony. I'm on the balcony, people. It's the balcony right here. Look at this, people. Look at the master bed. Master bed. Look here, closet space. Me and Danielle. This is gonna be Danielle's side. Just a little side here. This is gonna be my side. I like that one. This one nice. This one's really nice. I like it. There's a little bit of work that needs to be done in this one, but this one's really nice. We have to check out on the AC because the AC might be bad.
So this is the fourth house, but the first two scratch.
Well, yeah, we scratched out the first two.
The first two couldn't even show because people were living in there and we never want to video it. But we're at the fourth one now. Not looking bad.
Yeah, the third one was the best.
But
that's the one we showed
third one is really nice because most of the stuff inside are done. The outside, okay, but it's doable for us. But now we're at the fourth one.
We're gonna keep you updated.
We're gonna keep you updated. I'm not sure if we can show this one because I think someone lives there, but if we can, we will. And we love you. Couldn't show that one because somebody's in there, but it was a winner. So we have two options right now. And this one was a better price, but the other one inside looks nicer. But this one wasn't bad. Rooms are bigger in this one.
Very big.
And this one has a nice back patio.
Back patio. The only thing it has the avocado
tree on the back, which is like good and bad because you could have avocado, but then they just fall down on the back. So
yeah, and it's wholly back there.
So it gets like really messy.
We're gonna have to use Andrew for come clean them.
So this is a good option for us. If we decide on it, we may put an offer for this one over the last one.
Yeah.
This one is a better price.
Yeah, this one's a better price.
And it doesn't need that much work. The last one doesn't need much work either,
just
but it's a little bit more.
Yeah, because I think the bathrooms was like a Cornish. Like
the bathrooms in that one was small and the bedrooms were small. This one, the bedrooms are big, the bathroom is big. But it will need just a few things. Both of them just need a few.
The two of them are really livable, if you know what I mean.
Yeah. So
well, we're gonna scratch out the first two because the first two, boy, one look like something, you know.
No, the first two is not.
Very weird.
I wish you guys could see this one, but it was a nice setup.
Yeah.
Like even the neighborhood is like a gray, and they have like a.
It looked like, it looked like a barn house.
Like a barn house, but it's like modern.
Modern.
Yeah.
Barn house. It's nice. It's nice.
Really cute. So on to the next one, guys.
First or second? Yeah. Call it this one.
This one doesn't need work. This one's more than the other two.
Yeah.
Smile more when you come back. Smile more when I see you. Smile more when the sun shines bright. Believe me, I need you.
We're done.
We are done. Done for the day. We actually like 4 houses. We got to see a bonus house because it was around the block and the guy was like, hey, I'm just selling my house. You know, if you want to come. And so he said, congratulations, I see you expecting. I was like, yeah, come on, man. Let me see your house.
Oh
So
my
we go to
god,
see your
alright,
house now.
his house was nice, so
Yeah, his house was nice.
he's a contender.
But the only thing about this place, the con is, it's so far from everything.
Yeah, it's further than we want it to be.
Yeah,
So we have a lot of decisions to make.
So there's a lot of decisions to make.
But I think that we have a house out of the 4.
Yeah, there's a lady named, what her name? Lola?
Lola, what she said? Laura,
Oh no, she said Dora the Explorer.
oh, Dora the
It's Dora her ring name.
That's my favorite lady.
Yeah.
But her house is just far.
It's far. It's nice though.
Her house is really clean and nice, so you
Yes.
can know she took care of it.
Yes.
And
she did.
I think we'll have to make some decisions today.
We're gonna have to make some decisions today.
It's gonna be a lot of talking.
A lot of talking, love the strategy.
Oh my god.
Our next thing we are going to do later is do the video. We have a video that we're going to do. We came up with the idea. What was it
Trying
guessing
Jamaican sodas. So we're going to buy a bunch of different flavors and then
yeah, we're gonna probably go Brown Meats because they have almost everything there, so we can go there and pick up the sodas, and then we're gonna probably mix them with like regular American sodas as well to see which one is different and see how good our taste buds are.
or the Hispanic sodas too.
Yeah,
They have different flavors.
Those, yeah. If you guys know the Hispanic soda, them chucked, you know.
That one, I don't know how you call it. It starts with a J.
I don't know.
I don't know, but it's
you
like
can't get me for
it's a pineapple. It's a pineapple kind of taste, I think. I don't know, but I like it. I'm gonna buy it.
But you know what's crazy? Back to the home thing, like it's pretty hard to make a decision on something. Like you have to think about it. Are you going to live here for the next 30 years of your life?
And then it's like school for your kids.
Yeah, and then like
distance,
like from your family, like
it's like all of them have a con that's different.
because what time if me and Daddy want to go on the road, we have to drive down all the way down to Timbuktu, leave the baby with mommy, which is far, you know, like Davy, and the places are in Margate, so it's like that's far.
Yeah. So we have a lot of deciding to do.
We are here at Panera Bread. We're supposed to show you the food, but Danielle clocked on the food already. Look at that.
Don't show them that.
Look at it's all done already. We are at Danielle's favorite place. It's called Broward Meats. We are in the soda aisle. We are in the soda aisle. We are in the soda aisle. This is the Spanish sodas. Everybody knows the taste of this, guys. Everybody in the muma.
That's the best one.
It's expensive, by the way.
Great. Take up great.
Yeah, we're gonna take a pineapple as well. Orange, for the girl, orange.
Cream.
Alright, I need to
Great.
drop it. All the sodas on deck right now. Look at that, guys. Are you ready? Excited?
Too much soda.
Too much soda. Just got done cutting a video, guys. We are sired. Sired from Sired.
We did a lot of walking.
You did a lot of walking today with
I came home and slept.
yeah, she slept like for an hour and then we went on the road.
No, I didn't. I slept for 30 minutes.
30 minutes.
30 minutes, guys.
Oh my god.
Shut up.
Alright. So back to what I was saying okay, back to what I was saying. We went to Panera Bread, ate.
That was not so good.
It wasn't so good.
I'm sure you saw that food looking really...
We didn't really show that much. I'll probably even put that part. So if you don't see...
And that was Chad's decision, so...
Yeah.
Thank you, Chad.
Blame me. You know why you should blame me?
It was in a microwave food.
Microwave food. And I told you not... Who goes to Panera Bread? Who goes to... Listen, comment down below right now. Who goes to Panera Bread and order pasta?
Because I didn't want another sandwich. We had a sandwich this morning. Why should
But you could have had a salad like I did. I had a salad. I had a salad.
Who eats salad for dinner?
Me, and I had salad and soup. That's why I wanted it, because I felt for salad. Actually, you know what I felt for? Cheese course. Have you ever had it? You know what cheese course?
Did you take me there?
No, I had it one time and it is shot.
With who?
Until next time. See you, sayonara. Anyway, the joke. Yeah, so today we're still thinking about which homes that we want.
We don't know if we should look more.
I feel like we should look more.
But we saw one that we would do.
It's just far. It's just far.
It's just far.
it's in Margate and it's
Even
like
though far from what?
Far? It's just far from like
Everybody would know.
Yeah, and because her mother is like, she'll be very helpful when it comes to like the baby and stuff. It's like she's like right there and she can help us.
Oh my god, our dogs are humping.
Yeah, they're humping right now, guys.
Stop it! Stop!
They're on heat, by the way.
They're not even they're two girls.
They're two girls and they're humping each other.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
To have a lot of deciding to do, we're gonna do that right now.
Yeah.
We're gonna write down our pros and cons
of each. Well, that's what we did in the meantime at the places. Like
yeah, but we didn't do it for the last
three because it was going like this. It was going fast. It was like in the same area, kind of. And yeah, I think the last one was a real nice one, guys. It was
but
really
it was
nice.
also the most expensive.
It was not that one. I'm talking about the other one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because we were there and then the guy is a realtor as well, and he saw us and he's like, oh, I have mine is selling too, so we went there too.
His one was nice.
Yeah, his one is nice too, but it's a little bit more overpriced, and we're like, nah, we can get this one. It's nice, the same thing. Yeah, man, I saw the backyard of that one. It's pretty nice because they have a little patio and it's so secluded. Nobody can come into your patio. Nothing.
Yeah, and it's hard in Florida if you're not buying like a house because you know we're looking for a townhouse.
Yeah.
To find like one with like a secluded back.
Yeah, and it's so much space there too.
Yeah,
as well.
that one was spacious.
It's very spacious, and I actually saw you know, you envision yourself in that house. That's where you should buy.
Yeah.
But then again, it's like it's a little bit overpriced.
And it's also far.
And it's also far. So that's two cons that it has already. But it's really nice. Yo, I want to say thank you guys again for the support. Thank you. I really appreciate it. We love you and we want to hit 100,000 subscribers. If you want to go ahead and share this video, share it with somebody who's looking for homes, and it's hard because it's hard on us right now because we're trying.
It's such a long process.
It's a long process.
And we started this from like early this year.
Yeah, we've been planning it.
But we've been like we haven't been like doing it like full speed.
Yeah.
And then now we're like, I think we need to speed it up.
Yeah.
We need more space.
Need more space because you know we have a baby on the way. So and that's another thing we want to like achieve before
the baby's born.
Which is hard because it's like, all right, we're in this apartment, you know, in a lease. So it's like you're gonna have to break lease to come out and all that crap. So that's a whole nother process. That's another ton of money. And that's what we're looking at right now, guys. I just want to say thank you. We're chatting too much, so I want to say chatting too much. Thank you guys again for the support. We really appreciate it. We love all the comments we get from you guys. We love all the feedback, especially the one when we're done especially the one that we had with the soup when you guys said onion
in the soup.
It's onion in the soup.
I love onion in the soup.
By the way, it is a thing. Comment down below if you use onion. It is a thing.
A lot of people don't. I love onion in soup. It's so weird, but it just tastes so good.
I know it sounds weird, but it's such a thing.
You don't even really taste it.
No, you don't. Even in like when they're using ramen, that's what they use.
Yeah, I put onions in my ramen too.
Yeah, it's true. No, but like when you go to ramen restaurants and stuff, they use onions in there, and yeah. So I just want to say that there's such a thing, guys.
And it's just onion.
It's just onion, not hurt. It actually is good for you. So I want to say thank you guys again for the support. Smash the like button
and comment something we should cook next.
Yeah, comment down below what you think we should cook next. For next week. Yeah. And we want to say until next time.
Sayonara.
Sayonara. Before we say sayonara, notification gang, notification squad, you're going right over here. Comment down below. Remember, if you want to be a part of notification. Comment down below right now, and make sure you hit the smash the subscribe button and the bell. That's the only way you're gonna be.
Are you gonna burp?
Yeah, I was stuck. Alright, thank you guys, and until next time.
Sayonara.
Me a figure out your style, them now. Oh yeah.